Hindi, dito, hindi.
Kaya hindi pwede bumbasa yan.
Bata naman talaga.
Oo. Ang matanda yan.
Bata, matanda.
No.
Oh, here.
The payment coming. No, the order coming.
Oh, okay.
Because you hungry, yeah?
So this is another order.
Yeah, just take it, ate. No need to.
No, sit down there. Sit down. Are you done eating?
Ganyan lahat. Ay, wala na yung fish kesyo.
Dalawa rin.
Wala na naman. Wala na yung fish. Wala na.
Hindi ko pa na.
Ito hindi ginagalaw eh.
Dalawa lang natikman ko eh.
Lagi nga.
Ilek sa mga order fish, abong.
Tama na yan. Ito na lang.
Anda rin.
You want broccoli too? Ha? You want broccoli? You want broccoli?
Kainin ko.
Eh, mamaya ubus na yun. Ito, clam. Sabaw. Sabaw.
Bus, kubos ng ulang. Kasi yung ano?
Oh,
Kulang?
akin na to. O, Jay, sa'yo na yung sabaw.
No, thank you, bong.
Ito si Jay. Jay, whatever left is yours, okay? Okay. Pwede.
Kaya, sa akin yung plan nila.
Kaya nga, yung sabaw sa kanya. Sabaw ng fish, ano kaya ito? Tamis?
Oh, never done your broccoli.
Wait, Jay.
Ano mo ah? Ito ng sabaw.
Galing. Sweet, ah.
Yeah, ako. Yung kinakain yung roast duck.
Because I don't like eat all the roast duck. That's what Uncle Bong said. Eat one at a time.
Yeah, very okay.
See? That's right. We'll take one then. I'll take one.
You eat the whole thing, not one plate. You have to share with somebody, that's right.
What? Why mommy?
Look at me.
Matete mo lang nito. Pinalap yung bong.